that a nurse becomes to her patients as a symbol of hope and comfort to those suffering. Now I request Ms. Soma ma'am to welcome the guests.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Mother Teresa. It's my proud privilege to stand before an auspicious gathering to welcome you all on the behalf of Karavali College of Nursing Science for today's lamp lighting and oath-taking ceremony. This great day we have amongst us Honorable Chairman Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest and preside over today's function. Karavali Group of Colleges was born out of the educational vision of our chairman, sir. Being futuristic, he could foresee the changes in the environment and make strategic moves to build a better society. Enterprising, spirited, and ever-smiling personality of Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, founder of Karavali Group of Colleges, is a classic example of hope, determination, and achievement. His struggles and achievements have been richly rewarded and recognized, and he has earned a fair share of them. Sir's able, efficient, and dynamic leadership has been won with spread appreciation and is a recipient of several national and international awards given in recognition of his extraordinary service in the field of education. Vision and dreams permeates through every activity of ours. And our Honorable Chairman, Sri S. Ganesh Rao, Sir, as a token of our love and respect. A hearty welcome to you, sir. It's a glad welcome we bring this morning to Srimati Lataji Rao Madam, Director of Karavali Group of Colleges, who is definitely a source of inspiration and support in all our activities. Madam is enthusiastic and aspirant to reach heights in growth of the institution. A cordial welcome to you, Madam. I request Pranchal to welcome Srimati Lataji Rao Madam with a bouquet. We offer a genial welcome to Mr. Mohan Nayak, Principal of Karavali Colleges, for gracing her occasion. A pleasant welcome to you, sir. I welcome to Professor Jason Verghese for the cooperation extended to put up this program. Welcome to you, sir. We are glad to welcome Dr. Prasita for the glamorous presence. Welcome to you, madam. And also, we welcome the press and media people who have come here to be a part of our celebration. Welcome to the sir. Nursing is all about patience, and God has called to embrace it. Yes, dear students,
let us seek the blessings of God on this occasion by the prayer.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना. हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे, बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना.
Of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of might, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this evening a blessed one, evoking Goddess Saraswati by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom, for seeking the choicest blessing for the same, I invite our Honorable Chairman, Shri S. Ganesh Rao Sir and Srimati Lataji Ma'am to kindly lit the lamp.
All the first year students on this very auspicious occasion, lamp lighting and vote taking. This is a unique program in nursing profession. So many professional courses are conducted. Only in Ayurveda there is a Sishopanayanam, and nursing there is lamp lighting program. Idea behind this is very unique and precious too. As MC rightly told, light is not only a symbol of knowledge, light is also a symbol of sacrifice and satisfaction. Nursing is such a holy profession where it is not a job, it is a total involvement to save the entire mankind. Whenever somebody is sick, they go to hospital, doctors diagnose and give medicine. End of the day, it is a nurses who take care of them for 24 hours. Doctors will be there for few hours. They will guide both patient and nurse. But nurse is a one human being who will be very close to the patient. Whether it is morning or evening, whether it is emergency or regular. And you might have noticed whenever you go for postings, most of the patients, they depend more on nurse rather than others. Because of the simple reason, you are available on the spot. That is the reason, please consider this as a very holy profession, which is true also. When you light the lamp, maybe next few minutes, pray God the Almighty, not only to bless you, to also give the strength and power to withstand all the professional pressures. Day, night will be there, night duty will be there, emergency, OBG, various departments, critical care units. Lot of mental strength is required. Whatever professional knowledge is required, definitely. The syllabus is framed by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. It is not framed by college. The syllabus is very strong. You will be equipped with all the required knowledge, but equally required is mental strength. You should be mentally ready to face not only the challenges of the profession, Also, you should have the withstanding capacity to balance between your personal life and professional life. Some of you may not understand now, you will understand it later, maybe after 5-10 years. One side, your presence and your participation is very important for the patient. Equally, you will be having a loving and caring family, which you have to take care. So, every profession, this balancing is there. But in your profession, it will be little more because you will be having night duties also. You will be having emergency calls also. So, mentally, you should be very strong. And patient expects your smiling face. Whether you are a male nurse or female nurse, it will not make any difference for a patient. If you are dull and gloomy and mechanically if you support them, they will become more sick. Yesterday I have inaugurated Freshers' Day of first batch of MBBS of our GR Medical College. I was telling the same thing. Medicine is 50%. 50% is a doctor and nurses and nearby. It may be physiotherapist, it may be pharmacist, it may be any allied science, it may be lab services. When you keep them in happy mode, the people around these clinical facilities or medical facilities, when you inject them the confidence, usually what you inject medicine. Along with the medicine, you should inject the confidence. If there is a female patient who is suffering, you tell, Madam, don't worry, you are like my mother, you are like my sister. A male member is there, you are like my father, you are like my brother. So that when they say nothing will happen, automatically a medicine will be effective. Otherwise, a doctor might have prescribed a very good medicine. Now even prescription style is changing, you better be informed. Pharma D course started in India. Around 9 to 10 batches have come out. Like developed countries, even the prescription style will be changing. But only problem is there is acute shortage of pharmacists also. You should be happy, glad and proud. Nursing profession is in the peak now. Unfortunately, a lot of nurses are flying out of country because of the monetary benefits or other interests. I don't find anything wrong in that. But still, if you have a chance to serve India, that will be more appreciable. I can't say that you don't move out of India because money is important, recognition is important, experience is important, and naturally your sacrifice should be recognized. Sometimes what happens, 4 years course, sometimes MSc, then all your exams to go abroad, hard work, bank loan, sincerity, commitment, even that cannot be neglected. In total, especially all the profession, whether nursing, physiotherapy, pharmacy, medicine, all the medical related courses, it is not only knowledge. Knowledge coupled with the common sense, knowledge coupled with common sense and humanity, knowledge coupled with patience. If a doctor is arrogant, sometimes the complaint comes in media. If a nurse is arrogant, if a physiotherapist is arrogant, don't be under impression some students are there. Physiotherapy is not only some exercise or stretching. It is not. It is not. Problem in India is every time it is a misconception. Nurse means are the nurse, like as if attendant. Nurse is not attendant. And unfortunately, some of the nurses also, they think they are attendant. You are not attendant. Physiotherapist is not, a bodybuilder or exercise guide. They should know all the parts, organs, movement, impact, positive and negative. If you stretching also, if you stretch whatever manner you like, then something will go wrong. Either the bone will break or muscle will split. Again, for 2 months, you have to take rest for that. Take the profession very seriously. Try to avoid unwanted issues, preoccupied issues. Many years I have been telling you. When you join a college, accept that college. Sometimes what happens, some of my Malayali friends, even sometimes go once. whether this college is good. Don't come out with confusion. Temporary problems will be there. Recently 2-3 teachers left by lying, not even properly resigned and relieved. It happens whenever the demand is more, demand and supply. When supply is less, demand is more. Now you know what has happened. Some foreign countries, how much they are paying. This disturbance happens. When nursing was running in a single digit, I was paying highest salary to one principal. When we got admission, she left. We don't disturb much, but only thing is don't be preoccupied. Don't listen to the people who have already resigned and left. They advising you and talking with you only with the bad intention of disturbing you and the institution. Try to understand if they are so good, whether they were relieved properly. I am telling openly. So with your profession, tomorrow somebody will talk bad about your doctor. Somebody will talk bad about your colleague. Don't, go behind the rumors. Your social medias, mobile. 99.99% you take it as entertainment. Maybe 0.1% or 0.01% maybe some educative information will be there. That also should be verified. Whatever comes in the website or mobile or social media need not be truth. Take it light. Let us not go to the level of, blaming. Again, more we blame, our health will get upset. More we appreciate, more we neglect bad things, we will be in a comfort zone. So accept the environment. College is good, management is good, teachers are good, up and downs will be there, 5 to 10%. See, when your mother prepares the food, daily food will not be same. I've been telling it from last 25 years. There will be variation. One day it will be little salty, one day it will be little, more water. You don't complain because it's your mother. Same thing will happen in the hostel. I am not preparing the cook. Principal is not preparing the food. Cook is preparing. Overall, comparatively, food is hygiene. It is good for health. Education will be taken care. Small disturbance, don't worry. Already teachers are appointed. We are still searching for more. We know next few years it will be a tough job because demand is more in foreign countries. So naturally when some staffs they leave and go abroad, every college will have shortage. Now Mangalore, almost all the colleges they have shortage. Concentrate, focused concentration on studies, your future, your career, your health, your activities like this, so that always be happy. When you doubt something, whether system, nation, parliament, constitution, media, social media, your teachers, your hostel, your environment, your friends, your concentration gets disturbed. Ultimately, you will fail in your main goal of your life. What is the main goal of your life? Your main goal of your life is to become a nurse, to become a professional, enjoy both professional family life, and support the family. For that reason, you have come all the way from your native place. So, while lighting the lamp, pray God to give you power. I'll also definitely bless you. So many years we have completed. All the small things will be there. In spite of that, Karavali nursing students are doing extremely well outside. There's an ample opportunity for all the medical related courses. Now, nursing is a peak. I was told some country immediately after BSc, you have to pass that language test. 2 lakh rupees they are offering. I am worried. If I say even my in charge will run now tomorrow. 2 lakh rupees. Earlier it was only in some countries. Now new countries, even US, of course difficult to enter. You should be proud of it. Why it is happening, you tell me? You think nurses are not produced? Yes, nurses are produced. After Corona, only those who can balance between the things are getting prominence. Developed countries, what happens? Corona means they have left the profession, some of them. Indians, naturally they work hard. They go for overtime, maybe for the sake of money or sacrifice, whatever it is. They are ready for night duty. They are ready to work on Saturday, Sunday. You may be knowing Saturday, Sunday is full free in developed countries. US, UK or Germany, that particular country is, people will not work on Saturday, Sunday. It is a compulsory. Wherein Indian doctors, Indian nurses, Indian physiotherapists, Indian pharmacists are working. So there also you can be proud of your country because you are developed in such a country, you are developed in such a family, you are developed in such a college where you were taught to get involved. It is not a mechanical or commercial, only business deal in India. Anything and everything. Here teachers, they not only teach, they motivate, they mold, they get involved in functions like this. You go abroad developed, whatever hours they are taking, only that much. They will not get involved. And students, you should know one more thing. US, a big national seminar will be attended by 5 or 6. In that 2 or 3 will be presenting the paper, 2 or 3 will be listening. It's a big function in very reputed universities. We hardly have small functions like this. All our group functions will be in thousands. Sometimes I get bored when I address the small crowd. Yesterday also I told, I don't get that original josh or mood. So we are lucky in all aspects. Try to concentrate on the positive part. You have students not only from one corner of South Canara, no. You have students from Kerala, Goa, Northeast. Teachers are also from various places. Try to learn all good things. Good things comes from any corner. You respect it, accommodate it, accept it. Bad things from any corner, just reject. Don't go after rumors. Why people are spreading rumors? Why they are, discouraging you? Anyone and everyone who discourages you is not your friend, remember. Their only intention is to see or pull you down. So that indirectly they expect, they will show they pretend they are good. Anyone who is good, including the teachers, including me, if they have other intentions, it will not be useful for your life. With these few words, my dear friends, all the best. And the senior students also, you should be role models for the juniors. As usual, ragging is totally banned. If you dream about ragging also, next batch is coming out, boys hostel, I'm telling, you'll be punished because it's inhuman. Yesterday I was telling why ragging started in the developed countries. Ragging is not the right word, it is a precious day. Or programs like this where seniors wanted to take out the talents of the juniors. So dancing, singing, eating together, etc. But while we copied, we started ragging, it went to extreme. Now Supreme Court has interfered, government has interfered. It is an offense. If a ragging case is filed against anyone, you will not get the bail. You have to suffer in the jail for months together, a year. Any influence will not work. So I am happy last 25 years no such incident happened in my college, nor it is going to happen. We will not tolerate such things. So seniors, please take care. Say today is a decent function. You enjoy, you talk, you interact. In fact, I have to congratulate all the seniors for not creating much problem. Little bit hanky-panky you create, I know it. Nothing wrong if your monkeys in this age. Everyone will be like that only. Don't be under impression we will feel bad, but try to control yourself. Concentrate more on happiness, actual friendship, real friendship, original friendship. Instead of misusing, instead of blaming, instead of creating problem, instead of, harassing. Juniors are like your brothers or sisters. If your own brother or sister suffers, what will be your feeling? Have little ethical value, human value, so that life will be, if you watch it, look at your grandfather or grandmother, they are healthy. Why? They never got involved in these rumors or, so-called criticizing, pulling down. Most of them were God-fearing. They always used to good for everyone. Even a neighbor gets married, okay, they used to behave like as if somebody in their family is getting married. Go, help, support. That culture is there even now in India. I am happy. This culture is when you go abroad, if you are going final years, Germany, US, UK, you see, you'll fed up with the system. It is a self-centered, money-oriented life. No relations. 7 hours or 6 hours, 8 hours duty, they will not look at you. There will not be any continuity or affection. It is only money. Here for me talking, you are not paying money, or for you sitting, we are not paying money. It is all bond, it is a relation, it is involvement. So get encouraged, be happy, and consider it a very holy profession. Whether you are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, just pray God. Be happy. And remember one thing. For the students, those who work hard, for the students who are decent and dignified, you will get the results. Don't be overspeed, kalli milna chahiye. It will take little time. You have to wait for your chance. You have to wait for your chance. That is the reason, students, when there is ample opportunity, when there is a lot of chances, grab it, utilize it, come out with flying colors, enjoy the life. And once you reach a level, once you are independent, try to help others. At least one person in this world. Now parents have supported, college is supporting, teachers are helping. When you are full-fledged, when you are sufficient, when all your personal needs or requirements are fulfilled, support at least one person. If you support 10 people, 100 people, that may be anyone. That may be the person may belong to your caste, community, village, or unknown person. A small child which is not having parents. A old lady, nobody is supporting them. Or maybe for the education of people like you. See, God is not visible. That is God. Today what you are doing is God. Don't expect God to come and stand in front of you. Whenever unknown people support, help, there is a God's blessing. Whenever you are happy, whenever you are smiling, whenever you are enjoying, whenever you are dreaming high, that is God. So my dear friends, all the best. Once again, let me congratulate and thank all three heads. Now physiotherapy also shortly conduct one good program. We will start the new batch. And nursing students, I would like to tell one more thing. Whatever recent few days you have overcome, same thing was in physiotherapy for more than 2-3 months. She was appointed. Now slowly things are coming to track. Now he is appointed, his wife is also here. We will take care. Don't be under impression we are not watching, we are very busy. Each and everything is observed. But everywhere there is a specification. It is not that easy to bring a faculty member. Tom, Dick and Harry cannot become a faculty member. They should have the qualification, they should have the taste for the teaching. 80% of people are not ready to come for teaching because they don't have the confidence of controlling these naughty students. Are you? See, this starting problem is there in the profession also, whether your students are profession. Don't wait somebody to support you. You support yourself. Whenever you are happy, you clap, you express. Let it be decent manner. Don't wait, God will come and support. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will come and support. Pinarayi Vijayan will come support. Chairman sir will come support. Principal will support. You support yourself. God is there. Why you are bothered? We are always there. Always our blessings are with you. Always we treat you like our own children. I am not happy. You have to make little more noise. Once again, full clap. All the boys. Thank you. None of you born. So don't challenge. Be cool and calm. Have confidence. And you will be happy and proud when you complete the course. With these few words, once again, let me congratulate, appreciate, and bless. All the best. Thank you. Make a big noise.
solemnly pledge myself before God and in the presence of this assembly to pass my life in purity and to practice and from wherever is deleterious and mischievous, and will not take a knowingly administer any harmful drug. I will do all in my power to maintain and elevate the standard of my profession, and will hold in confidence all personal matters committed to my keeping, and all family affairs coming to my knowledge. In the practice of my calling, with loyalty, will I endeavor to aid the position in this work and devote myself to welfare of those committed to my care.
This little guiding light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Hide it under the bushel snow, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under the bushel snow, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. Take my little light round the world, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine.
First and foremost, my sincere thanks to our Honorable Chairman, Sri S. Ganesh Rao Sir, founder and managing trustee of Karavali Group of Colleges, who had kindly accepted our invitation to preside over today's function. Thank you, sir. I also thank our respected Srimati Lataji Rao ma'am, Director of GR Education Trust, who has kindly agreed to be the chief guest. Thank you, ma'am, for being present here with us today. I express a deep sense of appreciation and gratitude to our principals of Karavali Group of Colleges for your enormous support in the organization of this function. Thank you all for being a part of today's function.